Okay, I would like you to have your music out and to sing along with the music. I'm going to play the notes. We should be singing the solfege. Mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. One, two, ready, sing. Let's do that again. I'll sing the notes with you. One, two, ready, sing. Mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. Let's do it with pointing. So as we sing the notes, let's point to every note on the page as it goes. One, two, ready, point. Mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. Good job. Let's do it once with the letter names. So it's going to go E, G, E, A, G, E. Let's try that together. One, two, ready, sing. E, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, G, E, E, G, G, E, E, G, G, E, A, G, E. Now I want you to try it without any music. So you have to sing it like we do in class with the hand signs. Mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. Like that. So you try that. That's the last thing I want you to do. And you're going to have your music in front of you. Do the hand signs. Mi, sol, mi, la, sol, mi. And sing it for yourself. Maybe 5 times. Okay, good job.